All right, this is after receiving the radiator from Greyhound. This is it. Had a plug missing. I fabricated my own going on, taped it up, put it in, installed it, torqued it down. It seems to be holding right now. This is dead cold. Haven't started her and let her warmed up in a couple months. That's the battery you're going to be getting, and let's see how she does. All that water is from trial and error, from installing the radiator and spilling it, because I don't ever use funnels. I don't believe in them. All right. I'm gonna move her out into the sun so she can warm up a little faster. Dirty, but that's going to change here really soon.